Welcome to my March devlog, nested in many quotation marks. This month, I immediately started prototyping a game which I had been imagining for years, a game where you edit 2D vehicles and program them to complete levels. However, after I got a working prototype up and running, it became apparent that there were many issues that I didn't want to work with, such as designing puzzles, dealing with the uncontrollable spinning that rockets produced, making wheels, the list goes on. I quickly became disenchanted with the idea and was having trouble thinking up what I should do until I decided to participate in the Tim Dread Game Jam. The Tim Dread Game Jam was a short, weekend-long jam of the theme Point of No Return. It was small, with only 54 entries, and I decided to make a game about black holes, because they contain an ultimate point of no return, the event horizon. Inspired by similar games that had come before, there was not much unique about the game I made for the jam, and what's much worse is that it was quite boring. It had no music, no sound effects, no tutorial, no explanation, you could fly off into space indefinitely, etc., etc. Even so, I placed 14th, putting me in the 75th percentile. So, for my first game jam ever, I feel like I did pretty well. After the jam, and the feedback I got on it, I felt like I should improve the game and polish it up so that it could be my game of the month for the month of March. This ended up being a good choice because I had a blast working on it. As you can see, it gets quite hectic towards the end. Two things I implemented in this game were firsts for me. One, sounds. I made some music for the game using Bosca Sea Oil, a free and easy 8-bit music maker program. The song I produced is, serviceable, but in hindsight doesn't fit the style of the game very well. However, it got the job done. Additionally, I downloaded some sounds from freesounds.org and used them to make an explosion sound effect to play on death, and a hyperdrive sound effect to be used when the player hits the hyperdrive. These added a lot of life to the game that it had been lacking previously. The next great innovation, by my standards, was to have unlockable colors in the game. In the options menu, you can change the player's color choosing from 3 colors, which is nice, but what I am proud of is the system I made which allows you to unlock more colors with high scores. This gives the player motivation to keep on trying, and I'm very pleased with the effectiveness of it. You can unlock blue at 40 points, green at 50, and gold at 60 points, which I myself have been having trouble with. The player can set how many black holes appear on screen, from 1 to 3, which acts as a sort of difficulty slider. I wish that I had implemented awards for, say, getting 40 points with 3 black holes to inspire people to use this feature more, but I never got around to it. Overall, however, I'm very pleased with this month's game, Event Horizon, and I really hope you guys check it out. It will be linked in the description of this video. Let me know what you think about the game. Every time I make one of these videos, I learn a lot from you folks. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next month.